So, back working on the Jaguar XKR Silverstone edition. Been getting through with the jobs, bit by bit. One of the jobs, misfire. It's got worse and worse and worse. So, I ordered some new spark plugs, fitted those, removed the covers, took the coil packs out. As soon as I took the first spark plug out, being this one, that is what I found. As you can see, water has been getting in. So it gets in through the vents, in through the gasket on the cover, and then sits in where the spark plug is. And I had 3 spark plugs exactly like that. That one, the back one, and the back one over there. Fit the new spark plugs, absolutely perfect. And that's what was causing the misfire. All because of the water getting in there. It's actually the gasket on there had broken a couple of places and the water had been getting in and sitting in there. So hence why we keep a car cover on it, because they don't like water, these cars. They don't like being outside. So if you've got one, try and keep it covered up, or better still, keep it garaged. But yeah, there we go, another little job sorted on the XKR.